This video is inspired by my friend Maureen. Her channel name is The Butterfly Me, so kindly check her out. She does this kind of videos. Yeah, if you like this kind of energy, if you want this kind of energy, kindly follow Maureen. I'll drop her link on the description box. Yeah. Hi guys, my name is Wangui.
The Chinese market was
allow me to turn off
by the same pace as in previous years, which was a challenge.
So allow me to turn that
Brexit
one
coming, which
off.
is a challenge for all car companies that have substantial exposure to the UK market.
Now where's the remote?
So
Did you see the remote anywhere? Kuna mtu ambaye na remote mahali?
So when do you expect
just wait a
sales
minute.
to pick up again?
Let me go and come back. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wangui. If you're new here, like right here, not in this house, I mean if you're new here in my channel, kindly welcome. Yeah. So I like singing, but today I'm not going to sing. Today I just want to clean. Yeah. So what am I going to be cleaning for today? And you're going to clean with me. I don't do clean videos, but I feel like I'm just motivated to do cleaning. So, and by the way, it's raining, like raining, although you cannot hear. So, like, should I show you? It's raining, like I'm in quarantine and it's raining and I want to clean. I should be in bed. Like, I love sleeping when it's rainy, so I think I should be in bed right now, but I have to clean first. Let me take you outside, then come back and start again. Yeah, let me take you outside. See the rain? Jump in the rain. No, I'm not going to jump in the rain. Oh, my hair. Oops, my hair. Let me take you outside, then come back and start cleaning. Ciao. So I swear it was raining, but venye nimefika nje ikaisha, like ikaisha tu, sijui ka mvua imeniogopa ama I really don't know, but kama itakuwa inanyesha by the time I'll be finishing this vlog, we shall go outside. But for now we're going to clean. So what I'm going to clean, like the whole house, from the kitchen, yeah, sitting room, everywhere, but for today we are just going to concentrate on two things. Okay, cleaning the kitchen, and to be specific, the fridge. I'm going to clean the fridge so that we can restock, but I'm not going to restock like right now, right here. So I'll just clean the fridge and I'll take you, okay, the fridge and the, what do we call it? Let's just go. Acha twende tu. So I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen and arranging this shelf, these books, like permanently or neatly. I mean neat. We're going to make them look more neater, and of course I'm going to clean, okay, to arrange that table. No, should I take you through? No, we're just going to clean the kitchen and arrange this shelf. If we clean the whole house together, I swear it's gonna be like 3 hours, and you're not gonna stay here for 3 hours. So kindly allow me to clean the kitchen. So before we clean, make sure, I hope you're sanitizing, you guys. I hope you're sanitizing. So this is it's a spray, sanitizer spray. So I hope you're sanitizing, by the way. Okay, sasa hii haina jina. This one is rubbed. It's not focusing. Oh no, here. Okay. So this is a sanitizer too. I hope you're sanitizing, you guys. Yeah, these are some of the things that you should have. Yeah, or like normal things. So this one is a hand wash. So this is just to make sure you are sanitizing very well. So let's go to the kitchen kindly. So I have been doing like nature vlogs and they're doing really well. So I think I should take you guys for more nature vlogs, yeah. And but for today I said we are just cleaning, so allow me to introduce you to the kitchen so that we can clean. Yeah, kindly allow me to introduce you to the kitchen. And there be light. Sorry. So let's clean the kitchen. Okay, like it's a mess, but we are going to make sure we clean it until it's perfect. So we are going to be cleaning the fridge. I swear it's a mess, but by the time I'm done with this video, we'll have cleaned everything. So we are going to clean fridge 1. Okay, of course nitatoa kila kitu. I remove everything from the fridge and clean again. It has nothing because you're supposed to be restocking. So I'm cleaning. I just have like fish right here, but I'm going to be cleaning. I'll remove everything and clean the whole fridge, yeah, and also clean fridge 2. Akinyama, it's meat, I swear it's meat. Yeah. So we are going to be cleaning fridge 2 and restock. So these are veggies, broccoli, but so I'm going to remove everything and clean the whole fridge, yeah. And lastly, so I had removed everything from this fridge. For this fridge I'll just store like drinks, yeah. It's used for storing like drinks, water, boiled water, yeah, ready just for drinking. So I'm going to be cleaning all the fridges and I'm going to be cleaning with you guys. So kindly let's start. So I'll have some warm water, warm, and I'll add the antibacterial hand washing soap, aloe vera. I know it's hand washing, but you can use this. It's not so. Yeah, I'm going to be adding this. So we said we are going to be removing everything. Sorry for the noise, but I've removed everything. Okay, I'll be using warm water. So warm water is to make sure sorry, today I don't have a camera person, so I'm doing it all alone. It's cleaning time. I told you, I'ma clean the whole house, the whole day. Yeah, let's do this. Cleaning. Aki mtu toa nguvu zingine wapi saa zingine aki. You can imagine me doing a cleaning vlog, guys. Hakuna hata siku moja nilishaiota nikifanya hivyo. So let me, okay, for this kind of fridge, I mean not this, see hii material sasa guys, sasa hizi vitu zingine zinaitangwaje, not this kind of fridge. This one is it metallic or is it what? I don't know, but for this one we're just gonna use this cleaning thing. Yeah, the same one. But for this kinda, I'm going to use something else to clean. Yeah, that's what I mean. Damn. So for this one, I'm going to be using this. Yeah, for just for the front part of the fridge. The rest, okay, inside for cleaning inside, I'm not going to repeat the same procedure. We are going to use the same procedure we used for this. So allow me to introduce you my I feel good. It smells good, by the way. Then use this one. Yeah, this one is for scrubbing. I'm making noise. I know. I know. But I'm sorry, you have to clean. Okay, then finally use this. Sparkling clean. It's clean. Oh, I feel motivated. Oh. Okay. I know it's clean. Wow. Hata mtu anaweza jiangalia nayo, by the way. Yeah. So there I have my second clean fridge. So I was saying I should excuse me, I should do this more often while eating. Akimtuto wapi hizi nguvu wake? Cleaning. No. I clean the whole day. Naweza anza kuosha nyumba kuanzia asubuhi. Niachane nayo kidogo niende nikafue. Niachane na kufua. I never finish whatever I'm doing, so I hope I finish this one. Candy. Okay, this is what I have done with this the sink. My sink is clean. Okay, my utensils, my thermos, my eggs. Yeah, everything is clean. Where did I get this kind of motivation? And so to my fridge. Okay, this is where I place like bottles with boiled water ready for drinking. Yeah, my favorite of all is clean too. Yeah, I did a good job. last but not least, let me close the door. My last fridge is clean. And by the way guys, if you have any DIY ideas for this empty bottles, you can drop your ideas down in the description bar. Yeah, if you have any DIY idea that I can hack, kindly drop your comments or your suggestion in the description bar. Yeah, thank you for watching. So thank you guys for watching this video. Unfortunately, I cleaned the kitchen the whole day. Umekuwa ukilala the whole day. So unfortunately, I was not able to show you the shelf arrangement for the books. But be tuned, because I'll make just like a whole video of it, so you've not lost everything, but I'm gonna leave pictures of a well arranged shelf that I did afterwards. It's up for me. Until next time, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel. Bye bye. I love you. I love you all. Thank you. So hi guys, I'm done cleaning and it's time to share the results with you. So kindly share your comments down below on the comment section. And I just had fun doing this. I think I should do more of these videos. By the way, before I forget, this video is inspired by Maureen, my friend Maureen, but her channel name is The Butterfly in Me. She does this kind of videos and you can check her out. Where do I put his name? Right here or Martin Luther Black, Malcolm X Black, Marcus Garvey Black, Barack Obama Black, Bill Clinton Black. Miguna, 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 Miguna. Miguna, 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 Miguna. Oh, oh, oh.